Well, hello everybody. As you can see by the smoke rising from the pile that Andoy and I have spent the last couple hours burning all those big piles that were here. So just taking up the lawn too much, and like I said, once we build that up, we haven't had rain now for 2 days, so everything dried out pretty much, so a good time to burn. And it's almost, like I said, it'll simmer out by tomorrow. There'll be hardly anything left here. So yeah, another day of really nice sunshine and warming up. I'm hoping that the rain is still coming, and that, because I'd hate to have this be the end of it, but it's that time of year where the rainy season soon is going to come to an end. I'm going to walk down here just to the end of the driveway, and Andoy just got done watering down here, and we've spent the first part of the day actually digging up our ledge right there by the roadside. And as you can see, as I pan up here, we've been planting a hedgerow and also the flowers before it, and then there's going to be more planted in there. But all this had to be pretty well dug up and that, so, and we've got spades and everything else that we hand dig it with. And like I said, the hedgerow, we just you just basically stick in the ground and he just got done watering it, so that's good for the late afternoon. The water should hang in there pretty much till tomorrow morning. And the amount of weeds and roots that we pulled up, as you can see right here, if I pick one up, kind of set it up there, that's the kind of roots that we dug out of here. Quite a few of them. And like I said, this is the first time we cleaned this up when we first moved in here 6 years ago, and except for mowing it a couple of times, really haven't cleaned it up at all. Not ever going through it as good as we have done in the last few days here. And all this is landscaping by Beth. She's the one that came up with the idea, and of course where to pull the different plants from and everything. And she's real good at being able to do that, as anybody can tell by the videos of her garden, and that she is a landscaping person. She really enjoys coming up with new things and doing new things, and it seems like she gets one thing done and she tears another thing up and starts again. So, and that's part of her joy of being out here in the country, and that's fine and dandy. She's really good at it, and I appreciate that, because that's really not one of my specialties here. And that's, so you can see by this, like I said, going to be really nice. The hedges in the back, you know, we'll trim like we did on our driveway up above and that, and it'll pretty well cut out the view here for everybody, but that's okay too. And you can still see it smoking over there. She'll be burning probably into the night here. We keep a pretty good eye on it. And nothing else down below the road here. As I walk back down to our driveway here, yep, really a difference. And like I said, it's one thing that we needed to get at here, and it was so nice having Pa here, and nice having Andoy here, and that we had some extra crew that wanted to help out, and they really enjoy doing this too. And up to our field there with the coffee trees planted, and I took a look at all of them today, and new growth is starting, so that's always a good sign when you can see new growth starting, that the roots are taking. So that'll probably be it for this round, and that was really our work for the day, and if you could see me behind the camera here, I am dirt from head to foot, and if you're afraid to get your hands dirty or that, I'll tell you what, gardening and landscaping is not for you. And that's one thing that's really never bothered me. It's always, if a job's got to get done, it's got to get done. So thanks for viewing the video, and that. We enjoy your comments. We try to answer as much as we can here. It's been difficult the last couple of days, like the two previous videos today that we uploaded took 7 to 8 hours to upload those two videos. So our internet today is oh boy, just yeah, and we run into quite a few days like that where there's just not that good of reception and uploading on the internet, and this has been one of them. But we keep on trying on this end, so thanks for viewing our videos. Like and subscribe, and we'll definitely be back with you again.